hair with extensions is a great way to ensure a beautiful blend between your client's natural hair and the extension hair. Starting with clean and completely dry hair, you'll work in small sections. Remove tangles, then spray your section with a working spray or light styling spray. Curl both your client's natural hair and the extension hair in the same section. We want the hair to blend together, not separate from each other. Don't set your temperature too high. You want to protect both the extensions and your client's hair. Keep your heat tool set between 280 and 350 degrees to avoid heat damage and color fading. Clip the curl to set as it cools to ensure the curls you are creating will last. Continue to work in small sections until you have curled and set the entire head. After you've allowed the hair to cool, gently remove the clips and work through using your fingers or a brush. You can spray again to set if you would like, and your client is ready to go.